Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to basically look at the errors in Excel. Errors in Excel, I mean when you're typing in your functions or your formulas, there are times when you fail to get an answer and then it brings for you an error, meaning there is something that is not right with the function or the formula that you've typed in. So the different errors that we have are brought about by the different reasons for each individual error. So for example, we have div over 0, which means you have it's hash div over 0, which means you've divided a number by 0. There is hash name, whereby a function is less, maybe the numericals are not rhyming. Let's say for example, if I type in here equals, then the sum, then shift open brackets, then I enter this cell, then comma, enter the next cell, comma, enter the next cell, comma, enter this final cell, but on the final cell maybe I exclude the 2, I just leave it as a D. Then I close my brackets, then I say enter. It will give me hash name. So that's another error. It basically means there is something not right with the formula for the summation that I've put in. Then the errors like where you get hash hash, this hash showing everywhere, meaning that you've entered a number that is too long to fit into the cell. Then we can also have errors like those are the commonly found errors that you can get. Correcting them would require typing in the right function or the right formula, or doing what is required. So that is it about the different errors in Excel. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Have a good evening.